Alright guys, this is Kaya from DesireToTRADE. Today I want to talk about self-doubt, and really the thing that really stops a lot of people in trading. A lot of people are going to have self-doubt. They doubt themselves. They doubt they can succeed. And I really want to hit this hard because so many people are going to stop trading because they're not sure they're going to succeed. Because they think that they won't go far. And they're not aware of all the good things they have, all the skills they have. So I want to hit this hard. And I want to talk about the 3 things I think you can do to improve your self-belief, your belief about yourself, and really to reduce your doubt, to make sure that you stay consistent and you stay in trading if you want to succeed. So let's get into it. Whenever you have doubt, okay, it always comes back down to belief, what you believe about yourself. And there's 3 types of belief in trading that are important. Belief about yourself, about your trading strategy, and about the market. Now you really want to master those. You want to make sure that you have the right belief. Because Van Torp said it, basically you see in the market, you believe. You don't see what the market is. The market's nothing. You see your belief. So you want to make sure that you have the right belief to support you in trading. And about yourself, it's really going to be about how you see yourself. Whether you see yourself as undisciplined, as not capable of trading, as, like, there could be many things. But the way you see yourself, if you see yourself as someone who's not focused or someone who's a bad trader, a losing trader, you're going to keep trading that way. And it's simple, but you have to be conscious of that and you have to be aware of those beliefs. Now, the way you're going to change your belief is you're going to take action. So you first start by awareness. You're going to identify the belief. You're going to write them down whenever you have a thought about yourself. Write it down. And then you want to take an action. And then you want to write the reason why that belief isn't true. Or you can do the same thing. So you write a new belief you want to have. Write the reason why that belief is true. And then you're going to take action. What is one action you can take to show you that that belief is true toward that belief? So let's say you think you're unfocused. Okay, you could write the reason why that's not true. Well, I can stay focused if I concentrate myself, if I put some time to stay focused. And then you're going to take an action. So it could be to stay focused for 1 minute or 5 minutes. And then you just increase like that over time. So you don't start big, but you take one small action toward that belief you want to have, or toward not having that belief. If you want to be a trader who is respecting his plan, then it's only going to be about taking one action. So you take one action, respect your plan for one trade, and that's it. And then you're going to see that you did it one time, you're going to scale up, scale up, scale up. And that's going to work. Now, the other belief you want to make sure you have are about your trading strategy. Right? If you don't believe your trading strategy is right, it's like believing your wife is not good, right? So you want to make sure you have the right trading strategy and you believe in it. This is going to go with testing. I know some people in the Facebook group are testing a lot. I was just reading that. They're doing a lot of back testing, and that's awesome. That's really good. So keep doing that. But you want to make sure you know your strategy, you've written it down, and you've tested it. Then the next thing is about the market. You want to make sure your strategy fits what you think about the market. If you think the market is crazy now, don't trade maybe, because you're going to see your belief. But if you think that some trades are working better than others, then trade the thing you think work better. That's how it works. So those are the 2 beliefs. And then the second thing, whenever you doubt yourself, you have some sort of ritual to put yourself back in place. One thing I really like to do, because I used to doubt myself as well, but one thing I like to do, and it happens sometimes again, but one thing I like to do is to get around other traders. So go outside, go meet other traders, and not just online. Online is good, but do it in person. So check out meetup.com. It's a good site to find meetups, to find a place to meet other traders. That's a really good way to do it, because then you see other people who did the same thing as you want to do, and they've done it, and they're not different than you. They're pretty much the same, except that they did it, and they're going to show you how they did it. So that's really powerful. And then the last piece of advice is going to be to take action daily. Okay, you don't want to spend a day without taking action toward your goal. You want to make sure that every single day you put in one piece of action toward the goal you want to have. Okay, it's good to take action and improve over time, but you want to make sure that you know what you're doing and you're intentional. Okay, you could try to just increase every single day. So one day you're gonna take a trade based on your plan. Second day you're gonna take 2 trades based on your plan. Or maybe the first day you're gonna take 1 rule. Second day you're gonna journal, right? So you could just add one thing every single day. Make sure that you're tracking your progress, right? When you start at the beginning, it might not seem like you're going to succeed. But when you track your progress, you see the progression. And even if you're not successful now, even if you don't have the money you want, or you've not achieved the goal you want, if you look back, think about it. Just look back at what you did and tell me you didn't improve. I'm sure you've improved since you started to trade. Okay, whether that's a month ago, 2 months ago, 5 years ago, it doesn't matter, but I'm sure you improved. So that's my quick piece of advice. If you like the video, like it. Please check out YouTube. Check out the channel. Subscribe on YouTube. Check out DesireToTRADE.com. And I really hope this is helping you out. I really hope people don't stay stuck in self-doubt. People won't stay stuck in doubting themselves and not having the belief they can succeed. And I want to do everything I can to help you out with that. So let me know. Contact me if you need to. If you have any question, and I'll see you soon.